Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And we opened higher slightly after the firm Asian markets. But Nifty, in the morning I told you, today it is likely to trade in an inside candle. That means yesterday's low and yesterday's high. And in fact, until 12:30, 12:45, it was trading above 16,200. It did not break yesterday's low, but then by 1 o'clock, we are more or less sure that low is going to be broken. And for the simple reason that, the markets were like not trying to move higher, but there was a selling. And another thing is that European markets have fallen more than 1%, 1.5%. And US futures also fell drastically, 250, 300 point Dow future, and Nasdaq future was even worse, 1.5% down. So, usually FIIs will come and sell in the afternoon. Then when this European and US futures, it was more or less clear that Nifty will break the day's low. As expected, in the afternoon, Nifty broke the day's low and it fell some more. And again, there was a huge recovery of more than 100 points. And again, Nifty came above 16,200 and then came accelerated selling and Nifty fell nearly 200 points. And just imagine, yesterday afternoon, Nifty future was above 16,400. And today afternoon, it touched a low of 16,035. That is almost 400 point fall. So, 400 point fall, 500 point up, markets are just hugely volatile. And as I told you, May month is going to be the worst month. And out of that, the last week is going to be even more worse. One good thing today, that Nifty future took support very close to 16,000. Last time Nifty future took support very close to 15,700. Now very close to 16,000. So that is the only good thing. And yesterday it was TCS and Infosys which supported the market, HDFC and HDFC Bank which dragged the market. And today is just exactly opposite. And today TCS and Infosys dragged the market down and HDFC and HDFC Bank supported the market. And when was the last time you have seen HDFC and HDFC Bank both appearing in the top 5 gainers? And in fact, the maximum point contributed for the Nifty on the higher side came from HDFC Bank and HDFC because they both are index heavyweights. And another surprising thing today, the Kotak Bank has been very, very strong. And even the market is like falling like this and Kotak Bank is moving higher. So Kotak Bank is looking really very bullish. And anyway, today even the entire banking pack was outperforming actually. The pressure came from outside the banking stocks only. And today, this banking stock, if you look, though yesterday Nifty went to 16,400 and today Nifty went to 16,035, but on a close to close basis, yesterday also the Bank Nifty closed almost flat and today also Bank Nifty closed almost flat. But in between there's a huge swing upside and downside, but mostly closed flat only. And today, one very, very surprising thing, and I'm really, now puzzled. And there was no bad news, and there was no news flow, nothing. For no reason, the India VIX shot up nearly 10%. And US, even when the market falls, their VIX comes down. But here, why the VIX shot up so much? Because when VIX shoots up, the premiums also shoot up. And in fact, premium shoot up, that's why the VIX shoots up. Because India VIX is calculated based on the option premium. I really don't know why these option premiums are going very crazy. And it went nearly 10% higher. And at some point of time in the afternoon, when the markets continue to trade firmly, at some point of time the India VIX came down to minus 4%. But again, after 1 o'clock, selling started by FIIs, and then again VIX shot up to nearly 10%. So the VIX shooting up is not a good sign. VIX shooting up means the markets are likely to make a bigger move. And coming very close to the expiry, we have only 2 more days. If the markets make a bigger move, again this is going to be a big problem for option writers. And premiums are really ultra high. And market trading around 16,100, 15,500 put option trading around 10 rupees. We just have only 2 more trading sessions. That means, the people who are buying this option will make profit only if Nifty falls 300 point tomorrow, another 300 point day after tomorrow. So such is the fear. The fear is extremely high. And this fear is bound to happen because, yesterday afternoon 16,400, now coming to 16,000. From yesterday to today, if it has come to 400 point down, and by tomorrow if it comes another 400 point down, this 15.5 put option from 10 rupees will increase to 20 rupees. The buyers will double their money. So anything can happen. So that is one thing very disappointing. And right now US futures are lower and US markets are as usual crazy. Either it keeps on going down and one day go up, the next day go down. And just only one day reprieve yesterday, but again today Nasdaq seems to be falling. The only thing is, if they are not falling too much, then it's okay. Otherwise tomorrow there will be a big gap down and create a hell lot of problem. So even now positionally markets is looking long only, and if I do have some long positions, my stop loss is at 16,000. Actually not 16,000, it is 16,020 in the spot. So again disclaimer, so I am not a SEBI registered analyst. So if you are taking position, consult your financial advisor. But I do have long positions. My stop loss would be 16,020 spot, not future. And looking at the open interest, there's a huge amount of calls are written, and 16,200, even 16,100 call is also written heavily. 16.1, 16.2, 16.3, 16.4 calls have written completely. Even I have written because I do have some long positions. As a hedge, I used to sell call options. So call options are written aggressively. There's hardly any put writing today. So that shows that market, one good thing is that 16,000 held on the downside. So we must be happy if the Nifty does not break 16,000 for the next 2 days. And of course, higher side, definitely 16,400 is the resistance. So we can expect 16,000 to 16,400 for next 2 days. But again, whatever we say, it will become wrong. That is the nature of high volatile market. And today morning, in fact, I was so convinced that today Nifty will not break yesterday's low, but yesterday's low was broken. Not only that, yesterday's low was broken, after breaking yesterday's low, Nifty fell another 130, 140 points. So that is the market. So markets are highly volatile, and it is time to keep away from markets actually, I can tell you, and do some intraday trades and just get out. Positional trades are becoming extremely difficult. So that's it for now. So the rest of the things we'll see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.